Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to solve the keyboard problem in A22. The Samsung A22 have problems now. Sometime in typing we cannot type this F G H C V B, this area, and sometimes have also a space. We cannot put a space. For that issue there is some solutions but not permanent, and when you will do this one temporarily it will solve your problem. For that you first go in setting and go in the app and go in that application which is your keyboard. Like that I am using Gboard. I will go Gboard, then go in storage, then clear data or clear cache, then force stop this one, then open again, then your keypad will work. You can type also a space. So because now in A22 this is the problem we are facing.